Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with Anila Khatri. Students, today I'm going to tell you guys how you can say no to someone in different modern style. Always and always, you don't need to say no to any person, no. You can use different words instead of saying no all the time. But before having a start, please subscribe my YouTube channel and to get notification of every new video, press the bell icon. So let's start. Instead of saying no to anyone, you can say to that person no. No. That means nahi. You can say no. Nahi. Or you can say to that person instead of saying no, not now, abhi nahi. Not now, abhi nahi. I wanna do that, but not now. मैं करना चाहता हूँ, but अभी नहीं. It is a simplest way to refuse someone. Okay? Not now, अभी नहीं. Or you can say not this time. इस वक्त नहीं. Oh my God. Not this time. इस वक्त नहीं. Like you can say, okay, I will do, but please not this time. मैं कर दूंगा, but इस वक्त नहीं. Right? Not this time. इस वक्त नहीं. You need to practice these sentences with me. Okay, the next one. How you can say no to some person? No thanks, I won't be able to make it. नहीं शुक्रिया, मैं इसे नहीं कर सकूंगा. No thanks, I won't be able to make it. नहीं शुक्रिया, मैं इसे नहीं कर सकूंगा. No thanks, I won't be able to make it. This is the beautiful way by which you can refuse someone. No thanks, I won't be able to make it. Or how you can refuse? Regrettably, I am not able to. अफसोस है मैं नहीं कर सकूंगा. Oh my God, this is the most humble way to know someone, to say no someone. Regrettably, I am not able to. मुझे अफसोस है मैं नहीं कर सकूंगा. Regrettably, I am not able to. मुझे अफसोस है मैं नहीं कर सकूंगा. The word is regret. Okay. The next one, you are so kind to think of me, but I can't. आप बहुत मेहरबान हैं. आपने मेरा सोचा, लेकिन मैं ये नहीं कर सकता. Oh my God. This is the beautiful way to refuse someone about something. You are so kind to think of me, but I can't. आप बहुत मेहरबान हैं. आपने मेरा सोचा, लेकिन मैं ये नहीं कर सकता. You are so kind to think of me, but I can't. Okay, the next one. There is one more option to say no. Oh my God, this is the simplest one. Maybe another time. Okay, फिर कभी. Maybe another time. शायद फिर कभी. Like definitely you are just trying to refuse the person. Abhi I don't want to do the thing, right? Maybe another time. शायद फिर कभी. Maybe another time. शायद फिर कभी. Indirectly you are refusing that person. Okay? Maybe another time. The next one more way to say no. I have got too much on my plate right now. Okay, मेरे पास अभी करने को बहुत कुछ है. Or in simple English you can say I have a lot to do. मुझे बहुत कुछ करना है. Or in modern English language you can say I have got too much on my plate right now. मेरे पास अभी करने को बहुत कुछ है. Definitely you are trying to refuse a person that whatever you are saying to ask me or to do, I cannot do that. Right? I have got too much on my plate right now. मेरे पास अभी करने को बहुत कुछ है. I have got too much on my plate right now. Okay, there is one more. Okay, I wish I were able to. Oh my god. It seems that this is an incomplete sentence, but no, it is a complete statement. I wish I were able to. काश मैं कर सकता. Definitely you are refusing the person. I wish I were able to. काश मैं ये कर सकता. I wish I were able to. काश मैं ये कर सकता. The next one. Apologize. Oh my god. Apologize, but I can't make, or you can say I can't do it. माजरत लेकिन मैं नहीं कर सकता. This is a direct way to refuse someone with apologize. Apologize, but I can't make it. माजरत लेकिन मैं नहीं कर सकता. Apologize, but I can't make it. I can't do it. मैं नहीं कर सकता, माफ कीजिए. Okay, one more option is here. No, thank you, but it sounds lovely. जी नहीं, शुक्रिया, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगा. Oh my god, this is the sweetest way to refuse someone about something. No, thank you, but it sounds lovely. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, लेकिन नहीं, शुक्रिया. No, thank you, but it sounds lovely. Unfortunately not, बदकिस्मती से नहीं. This is a kind of direct answer to someone. Unfortunately not, बदकिस्मती से नहीं. Unfortunately not. Okay, the next one you can see. Oh my god, I won't be able to help. मैं मदद नहीं कर सकूंगा. This is so direct to say someone. I won't be able to help. मैं मदद नहीं कर सकूंगा आपकी. I won't be able to help. मैं मदद नहीं कर सकूंगा. And if you wanna say मैं आपकी मदद नहीं कर सकूंगा, I won't be able to help you. Okay? I won't be able to help you. I'm honored but can't. Oh my god. आपने इज्जत बख्शी लेकिन मैं नहीं कर सकता. I'm honored but I can't. आपने इज्जत बख्शी लेकिन मैं नहीं कर सकता. The word is honored. You have to keep H silent here. I'm honored but I can't. I'm honored but I can't. Okay, the next one. One more option. Okay. No, sorry, that's really not my thing. Okay जी. नहीं मास्टर, ये वाकई मेरे बस का नहीं है. Like you're trying to tell the person I can't do that. Okay. No, sorry, that's really not my thing. नहीं मास्टर, वाकई ये बात मेरे बस की नहीं है. Right? No, sorry, that's really not my thing. नहीं मास्टर, ये मेरे बस का नहीं है. Or you can say someone certainly not. यकीनन नहीं. The word is certainly not. यकीनन नहीं. Certainly not. यकीनन नहीं. The next one, oh my god, sorry, I can't. This is the statement that we usually use in our regular life, right? Sorry, I can't. माफ कीजिए, नहीं कर सकता मैं. Sorry, I can't. माफ कीजिए, मैं नहीं कर सकता. Sorry, I can't. Next one, okay. I appreciate the offer, but oh my god, again it seems like it is an incomplete statement, but it is not incomplete. It is conveying a complete sense, right? I appreciate the offer, but मैं आपकी ऑफर की दाद देता हूँ लेकिन means लेकिन के बाद means you don't want to do the thing, right? I appreciate the offer, but मैं आपकी ऑफर की दाद देता हूँ, but नहीं, लेकिन नहीं. Actually, this statement you guys mostly use when you want to appreciate other personality and you want to maintain a very good relationship. The person who is offering you something to do, and you want to maintain a very good relationship. Okay. Here we can have one more option. Thanks for thinking of me, but I can't. मेरे बारे में सोचने का शुक्रिया, लेकिन मैं नहीं कर सकता. Thanks for thinking of me, but I can't. मेरे बारे में सोचने का शुक्रिया, लेकिन मैं नहीं कर सकता. नेक्स्ट वन. ओके. आई डोंट थिंक आई वॉन्ट टू. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं चाहता हूँ. आई डोंट थिंक आई वॉन्ट टू. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं चाहता हूँ. I don't think I want to. This is again, it seems it is incomplete statement, but no, it is conveying a complete sense. I don't think I want to. I don't think I want to. Next one. I'm already booked, or you can say I'm already busy. मैं पहले से ही मसरूफ हूँ. Means I can't help you. I'm already booked, or you can say I'm already busy. मैं पहले से ही मसरूफ हूँ. I'm already booked, or I'm already busy. मैं पहले से ही मसरूफ हूँ. It is actually modern language. I'm already booked. Okay. The next one. I would rather not. Thanks. मैं नहीं चाहूँगा. शुक्रिया. I would rather not. Thanks. मैं नहीं चाहूँगा. शुक्रिया. I would rather not. Thank you. मैं नहीं चाहूँगा. शुक्रिया. So guys, this is all about today's lesson. I hope it was quite interesting for you guys. For my next video, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Learning with Anila Khatri, and press the bell icon. Thank you.